What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We're out here by the lake at COPART. I call it Lake COPART. Should have brought a fishing pole, but we got called out to put a starter on this 2016 Prostar with the Cummins ISX15 in it. I guess they keep having to jump the starter off. So the owner of the truck wants a starter put on it before he runs it through the auction. So we've already got it jacked up. We got the tire off. I got to go under there and in here and disconnect the battery cables, and then we'll slide under there and start ripping this thing apart. But we do have a new starter. Got the new Mitsubishi electric one. Went to International, picked this thing up. So the truck's pretty crappy. I don't think it's gonna sell for a lot. El Manuel. So, how many miles are on this thing? You can see 781,000. So, go ahead and get started. That's the price. Well, guys, as you can see, we got the starter out of the hole. This one was a pain, a huge pain. The bolts were just hard to get out. We're out here in the rain. New starter's all wet, you can tell. So here's the old one. Nasty, oily bitch, that's what it is. You can see they were beating the shit out of it, getting it to start. There's the solenoid, all nasty, corroded. Could be a problem. But like I said, finally we got it out. So we're gonna go ahead and slide this one on up in there, get the bolts put back in it, and then we'll see if it'll fire off. Shouldn't be too much longer now. We're kind of in the home stretch, but was really hating my life decisions on this one. Cummins are always a pain in the ass though. Those bolts are always a nightmare to get out, and then you can't hardly get up in there on that back one to get them out. So let me slam this new one in there, and then we'll keep it going. Well, guys, we got all our tools picked up except the airline. We got the new starter on. A pain in the ass. Kind of see it down in there. So I haven't tried to start it yet, so I'm gonna put this wheel on. I'm not gonna film putting the wheel on because I want to have to listen. You guys to listen to the air compressor run, but we'll put that on real quick. I'll get the jack out of it, and then we'll try to fire this baby off. All right, guys, we got the wheel back on, and we got the black chrome black wheel accents on there. Huge selling point for this truck. Now make sure you got that on there so it brings top dollar at the auction. So see if it'll fire off. Start it right up. Ain't got no power steering, but it runs. When you ever buy anything from COPART, you always want to make sure you come out and inspect it or have somebody come out and look at it, because whoever buys this is getting a real pile of crap. And it's an international. So that'll wrap this one up, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting us.